Are you struggling to maintain healthy iron levels on a plant-based diet? Discover the secret to boosting your iron intake with delicious and nutritious foods. Iron is an essential nutrient, especially for those following a vegan diet. But did you know there are numerous plant-based sources of iron? Legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas are among the best sources of iron. They are packed with fiber, protein, and calcium. Black beans can be added to salads or soups, while lentils make a great side dish or stew ingredient. Chickpeas are versatile. Add them to salads, make hummus, or roast them for a crunchy snack. Leafy greens, particularly spinach, are excellent sources of iron and essential vitamins like vitamin C. Kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard are also rich in iron and offer various health benefits. Cooking leafy greens lightly can reduce oxalates that inhibit iron absorption. Pairing these greens with vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers or citrus fruits can significantly boost iron absorption. Whole grains such as quinoa and oatmeal are excellent sources of iron, fiber, and other essential nutrients. Incorporate a variety of whole grains like farro, brown rice, and barley into your meals for enhanced well-being. Grain bowls with roasted vegetables and legumes are a delicious way to increase your iron intake. Nuts and seeds, such as pumpkin seeds, almonds, and chia seeds, are rich in iron and healthy fats. Pumpkin seeds can be sprinkled on salads, blended into smoothies, or enjoyed as a snack. Almonds are high in iron and can be consumed as a snack, added to salads, or used as a topping for oatmeal. Dried fruits, especially apricots and raisins, are convenient snacks rich in iron and other beneficial nutrients. Apricots provide vitamins A and C, while raisins can be added to cereals, salads, or baked goods. To maximize iron absorption, pair iron-rich foods with vitamin C and avoid consuming iron inhibitors like calcium during meals. Cooking with cast iron cookware enhances the iron content of plant-based foods, making them more nutritious. Meals like hearty lentil stew cooked in a cast iron skillet can boost iron intake and flavor. Try a vegan iron-rich salad with quinoa, lentils, kale, red pepper, parsley, red onion, pumpkin seeds, and raisins. A vegan iron-rich smoothie with spinach, banana, almond milk, oats, almond butter, and chia seeds is a great start to your day. Tofu and broccoli stir-fry is a quick and delicious iron-rich meal that combines plant-based protein and vegetables. Customize your stir-fry with different vegetables and sauces to keep mealtime exciting. Oatmeal with almond butter and berries is a delicious and easy breakfast option rich in iron and other essential nutrients. Experiment with different toppings like sliced bananas, chia seeds, or a drizzle of honey for a personalized twist. Lentil and vegetable soup is a hearty, iron-rich vegan dish that offers warming comfort and nutrient density. Spinach and chickpea curry blends the flavors of various spices with the nutrients found in chickpeas and spinach. Serve the curry over rice or with warm bread for a complete meal. Quinoa and black bean salad is a nutrient-dense dish that features the complementary combination of whole grains and legumes. This salad can be served as a main meal, side dish, or wrap filling, making it versatile and easy to prepare. Nourish your body with iron-rich plant foods and enjoy the variety of flavors and textures they bring to your meals.